Check this out guys, this is one of the powerful portable air pumps I have ever come across. Now just to let you know, this air inflator goes by the name of Wind Gallop. It's on Kickstarter, so you can place your orders on there. I will leave a link in the description below where you can find more specifications and features on this product too. Packed with a 7500 mAh battery, a dual brushless motor, can inflate tyres, all kinds of sports balls, inflatable bed, stand-up paddling board and much more. Compared to other inflators, the Wind Gallop inflator has additional features with a much larger battery capacity. Right inside the box you will get a handy carry case, pin adapters for any sports balls to inflate, instructions which are in Asian language, which you probably don't need as it looks straightforward to use. Pipe attachment to inflate or deflate tents, paddling boats and much more. You can charge up from a cigarette lighter socket, inflatable adapter lead for car tyres, Type-C charge cable and a bunch of different connectors to inflate. Now the Wind Gallop inflator has air vents all around. At the top is a LED torch. From the top you have the inflator and deflator points. On the side there are charge ports. Hold down on the light icon to activate the torch. On the option icon you can navigate through different inflate or deflate settings. The Type-C cable gives a fast charge. A variety of air inflator attachments. Time to test this out. Inflating a flat tire which is on 12 psi and will inflate it to 33 psi, which is the requirement of this car tire. Less than 2 minutes it takes to fill up a flat tire. Super impressed guys. It's 3 times much more faster than the other air pumps I have reviewed in the past. Much more quieter than the others, and it's still on a full charge, given the accurate PSI level I wanted. Guys, if you're looking for an air pump, then I suggest you invest in the Gallop air inflator. Stay safe, peace.